Hey, this is Brad with WTI. Sometimes you just don't want to buy new pillows. That's where these Khaki and Beige 18 by 18 patchwork pillow covers come in handy. So you want to change the look of a room with pillows? You can put pillow covers on them. What we like about these is they match our decor, and it was able to kind of change the look of our living room with minimal time and expense. Another thing that we like about it is the patchwork pattern and the colors fit in with our decor. You're able to throw them in the washing machine. Try washing a pillow, not fun. Washing a pillow cover, much easier. So what's nice too is it came in a pack of 2, because if you got 1 pillow to cover, you probably have 2 pillows to cover. Even if you have a very strong color on your old pillow, it won't bleed through. It will still look like the pillow cover. Another nice thing about the zipper too is it's really well hidden. So you don't even really know it's a pillow cover unless you're really looking for it. So that's what we enjoyed about these Khaki and Beige 18 by 18 pillow covers. And that's my point of view.